fast lane. You're supposed to be going a little faster. Oh, and of course you get idiots like that because of idiots like the one in front of me.
Boy, you talk about seasoning. You would get a lifetime's worth of seasoning on the road, just traveling all these different places and seeing all these different weird bar crowds.
What the hell?
Standing on a fucking milk crate doing stand-up into a shitty microphone. All those gigs.
And
what the hell are people
once
doing?
I get into it full time to make $100, like, yeah, right. And 4 months later, I'm driving
Red light runner.
2.5 hours to make $75.
Jeez.
And I'm going, what?
Solve their own problems, and she would just book you.
Right.
She'd just tell you when to go up, and it was just a roundhouse.
Whoa,
Yeah,
that's
and
bad.
To this day, it's still very
Is
similar.
it still the same? Oh,
Yeah, I know you're stunned by that red light runner, but
It's
come
crazy
on.
Because the internet.
And very often I'm reading something, and it's too long. I just think...
The bike up there, I don't know if it'll show up on
The New
camera.
York Times starts every...
Oh, right up there. Hopefully the camera caught it.
About the
Where is he?
female version of Who Wants to Give You a Job in Hollywood movie.
No, don't.
Harvina Weinstein.
Yeah.
Yeah. If Harvina Weinstein came to my son with a solid contract, I'd be like, dude, you're gonna be Batman.
There's a tow truck right there, and there's a Nissan right here.
Curtains. And so she would get this giant fucking laugh. And she was like, wow.
Really? Nissan drivers.
The roads. And then she's like, and then I told him. Apparently, there's a woman that I talked to who's a dominatrix. And she was
Star
telling me and Jimmy
Distributors,
Moore-
Inc.
Jimmy
Yeah, I
Moore-
go,
That's right. You
And she
get
was
that
saying
Captain
multiple
Lawrence.
times
There's a lot of drunk people out there. You gotta give them the beer quickly.
companies, and they're
Quickly!
fucking animal-
Nope.
This guy's an asshole. Let's just kill him. It's not like he's gonna live forever. You don't
Oh
want to
no!
see it,
Oh
but
no! Oh no!
The
No, no!
quality of
You did that.
the meat is
for that. Oh, no, but that fake meat they have now is fantastic.
really bad for you.
Oh no! Truck
Actually
in the
causes
left
liver
lane,
problems, rats.
Nebraska land.
Bats.
No.
I never heard of that.
It's all
Sounds like a
oils.
theme park.
So that's stuff.
Deposits in your thing, then they block the duct. And then you don't, that's what causes all the pain. And
Front of a truck, I saw
eventually
that.
Dislodge itself and the pain.
There's all these hippies. My
Wow.
stepdad's a hippie.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Whoops.
So it's like, I mean, I've been liberal my whole life. I just look like one.
From Harvard, right?
Mm-hmm.
He has the straight A's, the greatest whatever, and then you might get a
Really?
student who's a minority from some, or a B plus student.
Trying to eradicate all of them. Like there's some farmlands that experience just devastating
oh,
losses because
they
of
got
our
Red
pollution.
Arrow.
And
Red
especially in
Arrow.
Texas, millions and millions.
Subaru. And a red light runner. Oh, I thought he was going to run it. Oh! I guess the car behind him thought the same thing.
I've only been to Honolulu very briefly during a layover. You know, when I was actually the first time I was going to Lanai. We flew in.
Really? Another red light
Honolulu
run?
first, and then you have to take. The wife hates him still. Bert's wife's still very upset.
I would have a hard time with that.
Red light.
really
Yeah, I'm getting red light runs all of a sudden.
You know,
Really? Really? Oh, you... It's not very safe transportation. Nope. 2 for 2. Oh, he scraped right up against the railing there. His mirror fell off, I think. Oh, that's definitely red. And you can go now. Red light runner and no one with... Come on. And that's a red light runner. Over the line! What the You're in the middle of the street.
don't tell that to Dick Doherty. He'll get mad at you.
He did try to get that title back, and I said, I actually help people. You tell me one time that you actually, a godfather, when someone came to you and said, can you give me advice? Can you help me write? Can you help me work out this material? I spent time...
Just he could land it. He should turn. And I've been begging. He came close in the last debate. He kind of came.
Do it in his voice. Tell what she said.
I'm not good at impressions.
You're pretty good.
Oh, that guy up there.
That right there. That was a pretty good one.
Joe?
A second exit. That's... Are you kidding me? He has no turn on red. Any day now. Any day now. You can go now. You can go now. You don't care what the light says. It's been greens for so long. Anyways. Red light runner. It's red. We'll turn on red. Yeah, 2 of them. Come on, why does the Subaru have to follow the laws? And a red light runner. lanes than any. Really? And when it's dark out, I can barely see you. That was red. Bad red light run up there. Sheesh. That's
The computer. I mean, it's rapey. It's
red
it's
light.
it's
What sites are you going to?
any site.
I'm not.
Who better to ask that question of how can you hate me? You don't even
Red
know.
light.
To ask it of
Nissan
somebody
drivers.
who was come into my house to do anything stupid. What had happened was one of his clan members who lived right down.
Why are you stopping? Yeah, we're just gonna roll right through the stop sign. Yeah, stop signs are optional in Torrington, aren't they? Any day now. Red lights. And this guy does not know what lane he needs to be in. Wait, no. Can't do that. Red light, no turn on red.
That I can believe.
Oh yeah, and well, neither of us.
Really?
Figure it. we're not.
It's such
we're
a
not that
thing,
guy that
can't
they're gonna call
figure it
on.
out.
If there's a
Wait, did that guy just run the red light? Really? And someone else honked, I don't know who. Nope. Oh, that white car behind me. Wow. So I'm talking about parking. What the frick's that guy doing? Just went straight from the right turn lane. behind me. Shit. That big van. There's always a van. Always a van.